Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Welcome back to our channel, The Butter Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a fish fry recipe, which is a popular dish made by marinating fish pieces in spices and then frying them until crispy and golden brown. Come, let's dive into the cooking process. I'll show you how to prepare this recipe at home easily. Let's start with marination. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt to taste. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of salt here. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using groundnut oil here for the taste. Coat it nicely to all the fishes. Coat completely. Let the fish marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 hours in the refrigerator. Now take a saucepan and heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the marinated fish pieces to the pan and fry until they are golden brown and cooked through. Here's one good tip for you. Use fresh fish for the best flavor and texture. Adjust the amount of chili powder and spices to your taste preferences. Roast it well both the sides until they are golden brown. That's it, the fish fry recipe is ready. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot with your favorite sides. This fry can also be enjoyed as a snack or appetizer, perfect for parties or gatherings. So try it out and let me know how it turns to you. See you in the next video. Thank you all. Bye bye all.